Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe, and you guys be safe on the weekend. We have another unboxing to do. I think this is just a maybe a TTM, or I'm not too sure because I had to pay $9.45. So we shall see what it is inside. And kind of nervous. Feels kind of heavy. So we shall see. Got that one done. There we go. What could this be? Oh boy. What is this? Oh. Alright. I know what this is. This is an unboxing video. These are really cool. Definitely you guys need to check these peeps out. Alright, here we go. So I'm going to do a giveaway on one of these. Just drop a comment, tell me where you're from, and give them a follow on their social medias and all that good stuff. I'll leave the links down below. This reminds me, I'm not sure who this is. I got the name. Hold on, let me look. I'll be right. Alrighty, I am back. It is coming from Safesound on Amazon Prime. So definitely, guys, check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. But I'm going to do a giveaway on 2 of them. So I'll pick 2 winners. Just comment below. Say hello or tell me where you're from. And like I said, give them a follow on their social medias. Like I said, I'll post those links down below. But this is really cool for your safety, in case you're in the troubled area. You might want to carry a few of these around and make sure your kitties have them. This is really cool. Comes with a key loop, a gift for life. Alright, so Pago. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Oh, it comes with a knife, so in case of your seatbelt you need to cut, kind of like that. Get in an accident, you gotta cut something really fast. Use that. I'll show you. Alright, YouTubers, here it is. This is the Safesound on Amazon Prime. You guys can check them out. This is really cool. This is for safety, security. Just a good thing to have on you just in case something happens in the car, on the road. Nice little protection. Comes with a blade so you can cut the seatbelt off. Easy to pull out and put back together. Comes with a key loop. It's like you can have it on your keychains. It's got to loop it through this thing right here. Do that. What else? I thought I had a light. Hold on one sec. Alright, so this is a seatbelt one. Like I said, easy to pull out. And it cuts pretty good, so be careful while using it also. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. We got the little cut. See, it's sharp, so be careful with that. Easy to put back. And you can put this on your keychains. Cut seatbelts with, and then now here's pretty cool, the alarm. Let's see. Let's see, they gave a bunch of these. So yeah, I'm definitely doing a giveaway on We'll do 3 because I'm going to need backup just in case. So I'll pick 3 winners. You just pull this tab out here. And this flashlight. Pretty bright. Dang, look at that. Bright light. And I think this is holy smokes. This reminds me of the Back to the Future or Beverly Hills Cop 3 movie when Axel Foley's with his ex-cop buddy and they had one of these, like they pulled it like that. That is loud. So this will be definitely good for your kids to have through school in case of any gun violence they have in classes. This will be definitely good thing to keep in case walking home from school, walking home from work. Females, this will be good for. It's so loud, jeez. Holy moly, my ears. But this is good for, like I said, car accidents. You want to cut your seatbelt off. You don't have time to react. You just want to grab this and you could cut it. But dang, it comes with all these inside the that one box. And like I said, I'll leave the links down below. Holy smokes, my head is still ringing. Like I said, this thing is loud, so be careful. Other than that, this is definitely a great device to have. Especially now, it sucks at how the world's changing. You gotta have extra precaution, but definitely really cool to have. And like I said, once you pull that, cover your ears or wear some eardrums, earlobes or something. But holy smokes, this thing is loud. Hopefully you guys heard it, because I know I definitely did. So thank you guys over at Samstars. I do believe all of them are the same. I don't want to open it just because I'm doing a giveaway for you guys. Comment, subscribe, share, and like I said, I'll pick 3 winners. And whoever drops a comment will win 3 of them. I'll pay for shipping and everything, so don't worry about that. And like I said, when you guys got some free time, check them out. My head's all a little discombobulated now. This thing is loud. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Samstars, Amazon Prime. Be safe. Have a good night. See ya.